Hi, my name is John. Welcome to another Vevor tool review. In this review, we're going to be looking at a twin burner blacksmith forge, like a portable propane powered forge. Before we get started, I want to tell you one or two things. The first thing is I don't work for Vevor. Vevor aren't paying me to do this. The payment I do get is to keep the product after I've done the review. Up to now, all the Vevor products I have reviewed have been very good. Anybody that watches my channel will know that my wife Deb has started making things out of old spanners, sort of industrial art. She's just made a toilet roll as it happens, and I think this will be ideal for heating things up for her to bend instead of using like my oxypropane cutting torch. This should do the job perfectly. It's sort of designed for heating up big knives, horses' shoes, that sort of thing. Like I say, it's a twin burner one, so we'll have a look and see exactly what it'll do. I'll open the box, have a look in here, and then we'll take it outside. I'll get the wife to have a little go as well, see if it heats a big spanner up. I'm going to start the review in the customary manner by opening the box, because obviously we can't review it unless we open the box. Right, so we've got some instructions or destructions. Enough of that. This is all shiny stainless steel looking stuff. Comes well packaged anyway, it's all packed up in polystyrene. This is obviously the burner. All stainless steel construction by the look of it. I've made these types of burners before because I have made furnaces for casting. So that's the burner, or part of the burner. That's the other burner. This is quite a fearsome looking affair. Right, all quite heavy gauge metal. Take some of the packaging off it. Various bits of paperwork inside. Propane regulator. And a little valve. That's rock wool insulation, and I would imagine it's a fire brick, the sort of thing you have inside a wood burning stove. The idea is that the heat is stored inside this box and reflected into the metal part you're playing with. That goes in the bottom there like that. So we've got two burners which put a lot of fuel into there and create a lot of heat. First impressions are I'm very impressed. For the money, I just can't understand how they can do it for the money. That's the on-off valve, as well as a little jet, the propane jet. That goes into there, held in with a little grub screw. Simple on-off valve, a ball valve. And that piece there is used to restrict how much air you get in to get the correct amount of airflow, so you get a nice blue flame. This is real heavy gauge. It appears to be stainless steel. It is stainless steel, the proper stuff. Very impressed. The torches simply drop in and lock in place with a simple thumb screw. There's a Y connector to connect the two gas supplies together for the two burners. I suppose you could just run one burner depending on how hot you want things and what you're trying to heat up. All straightforward stuff. Propane regulator rated at 30 psi. All the bits seem decent. I think it's only fair that we'll give it a try. I brought it outside. I've got it hooked up to my propane bottle. I had a squirt on all the threaded connections with some soapy water, and there's definitely no leaks. So we'll turn the bottle on. The regulator's turned up a bit. I've set the air vents or the mixture controls to about the middle setting. I turn on, you can hear the gas coming through. Now it's a case of lighting it up. Got a propane torch here I can use to light it. So that's both burners running quite merrily. A lot of heat comes out of it. This is the sort of thing that Deborah needs to be heating up. Put it in there. We're starting to get warm already. Definitely need gloves on, there's a lot of heat coming out of there. I could probably turn these down a little bit, but it is certainly warming things up very quickly. Well, it certainly gets things hot.
Well, I found that very easy to bend. It heats this up wonderfully, and it bent a lot easier than the last one that John heated up for us. So I think, or I strongly believe I should say that, John might have as much fun, but I know I'm going to have some fun with this. Definitely worth having in everybody's workshop, never mind John's.
Daylight when I did the video, I'm going to light the burner up. It's getting a little bit dark now, so we should get a much better effect. And obviously if you're using this, you'd probably have 4 or 5 spanners in getting hot at once, not just the one. Right, that's kind of warming it. This will also be useful for softening and hardening steel, silver soldering jobs. There's a load of uses I can put it to. It certainly seems to get Deborah's seal of approval. What can you say about it? It does exactly what it's supposed to do. It gets metal very hot, very quickly. There is a link in the description box for this actual furnace. There's also a link there that'll give you 5% off any Vevor product. Once again, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one.